Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be making my Jamaican ackee and salt mackerel. I won't be using saltfish, so I'm using salt mackerel because I enjoy salt mackerel more than saltfish. Saltfish is a bit too dry for me, so I'm not that much a fan of it. But guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, okay, so you can get alert when I post. So guys, in this bowl I'm actually washing off my salt mackerel, like washing off the excess salt from it. So guys, now that my water is boiling, I'll be adding my salt mackerel just to get rid of the salt, because it's pretty salty. Now guys, now that my salt mackerel is removed from the water, I'm scraping it because I'm getting rid of the skin, because it's a bit bitter and your taste buds, I mean, they won't be able to, forgive you for this one if you let this one slip. And these, they have a tendency of having these tiny little bones in them where, if you squint for a second you'll miss it. So you just need to get rid of all those bones. That big one in the middle, I absolutely love it, so I'm definitely will be using that because that's my favorite part. So those tiny little bones right there, yeah, just get rid of them. Though you guys cannot see it, it's there. Now guys, I'm using the Grace ackee in salt water, and because this is already cooked, it's pretty tender and you guys want to be careful with it or else it'll just mush out. Now to get rid of the brine, the salt water from it, I'm just washing it under cold running water. And now guys, now that I have everything in place, I'll be sauteing my vegetables, which includes scotch bonnet pepper, red onion, and green and also red bell peppers, and also chopped minced garlic. And now guys, I'm adding my salt mackerel. I didn't wash all the salt from it because without the salt in it, I mean, it'll just taste fresh, and you guys won't like the taste of that. Even though you can add salt, but you know, it tastes nicer with the actual salt in the mackerel, if you get what I mean. And now guys, if you're seeing the bones from the salt mackerel in it, is because I left it in there because as I've stated, it's one of my favorite part of the mackerel, and I like to chew my salt mackerel bone because it's soft, it's nice, it's salty, it's everything. Okay. Now guys, I'm adding my black pepper. I'll also be adding paprika and garlic powder. Nobody can tell me so them not smell this. Okay? Nobody. Look here no man. Look here no man. I don't care tell me so not smell my pot. I don't know that so not smell it. So don't deny it. Okay? Look for me salt mackerel bone. Yes. Yes. Okay, I'll stop. Stop. And guys, now I'm adding my ackee, and remember I already told you guys that it's already cooked, so you need to be careful when mixing this. Now guys, we've come to the end of another video. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notification, help your girl out. Go and follow her on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Okay, thank you guys once more. Mwah.